on today at FTT Embedded Finance and Super-Apps, which is why I'm delighted I've been able to grab Alex Reddish, Managing Director at Tri Payments, for a quick chat. He tells me I can ask him anything, but I'm going to start with you telling us a little bit about you and Tri Payments.
Yeah, hi, thanks for having me. Managing Director at Tri. We're a 3-year-old business focused on the infrastructure layer around payments. So we service both the issuing and acquiring market, flagship clients, the eToros, the Nuves of the world. Really, we want to provide sort of ubiquitous access, irrelevant of payment type, payment method throughout the world.
Awesome. Right, well, I'll keep the next question clean as well. Thinking about embedded finance, what do you think are some of the most exciting opportunities to deliver value to customers or businesses?
I think embedded finance is now much more around attritional and additional data sets. I think what we as a consumer expect now is much more focused on the value add than the payment itself. Embedded finance is not a new phenomenon in its own right. The integration of payments, seamless, invisible nature of that we've talked about for a long time. I think now value comes from the unintended consequences of that payment and how we can deliver value from that. Whether it's, Alica Bank now discounting your insurance because you provide open banking data or whatever that may be. There are now examples where embedded finance in its nature can provide the consumer and the business reciprocal value.
Great. And, this is a really busy space, not just here today, but the sector in general and embedded finance. What do providers or distributors of payment solutions need to do to really set themselves apart when it comes to winning the hearts and minds, the loyalty of the customer?
I think it starts with first interactions. It's first principles. We're humans talking to humans. We want a simplistic understanding of what we're doing, the risk, the security. We want to go through that onboarding process extremely seamlessly. I don't want to provide you, where I was born and my mother's maiden name anymore. I want you to have good knowledge about me as an individual. And then I want you to provide me a good value-add service to my lifestyle. I think sometimes we forget that we're still talking to people and we're providing technology. And I think the industry needs to be cognizant of that because there are many ways to get to this outcome of making a payment, but unless we provide intrinsic value to the consumer, they're going to stick with their piece of plastic and continue to do so.
Yeah, absolutely. So bringing it back to first principles, delivering value to consumers and end users.
Yeah.
And I think there's, as you said, there's a lot more going on in this space. So thank you for sharing some of your thoughts. And I look forward to hearing more from you and the team today.
Pleasure. Thank you very much. Thank you for grabbing me.